Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a couple weeks since I upload, but it's just been nothing really to do. Got the trailer done. That video will be coming out soon on that trailer back there. So I got the Mercury plugged in to the house, the battery maintainer, then gonna do a little cold start. It is currently 36 degrees here in Michigan, downriver. Not too fun. It's windy. Truck hasn't been started since yesterday. It's freezing in here. Let's see. Let me turn this off. Sorry for the knocking thing. Stupid HVAC. Bone cold. Let this run for a minute. Just help charge the batteries. Very cold. I've been driving this every day now. I haven't driven in a while since I've been working on my truck, my dually over there. I got that done mostly. So just been driving this. It's been a good truck. It's not too bad. Interior's pretty clean. Just gonna let this warm up for a minute. Get the battery charged up. And gonna start my 2000 F350 V10 over there. This has a straight 6 4.2 Vortec in it. Not too bad, but not too bad of a truck to drive, especially considering, you know, it's way better on gas than the Buick or the dually. I mean, so I'm gonna let this run for a minute. So I'm gonna grab my key, the keys off this, and go start my truck. So let this warm up and whatnot. So yeah, it's just cold. Hate this windiness. The truck hasn't been started either. Almost got hit by someone. So, like I said, hasn't been started at all since yesterday. Last time I drove it was yesterday, I think. Yeah. So yeah, cold, hasn't been started. Let this run for a few minutes. Got done doing front, upper and lower ball joints and the U-joints on the axle. I got shocks coming tomorrow. Hopefully get those installed maybe tomorrow, if not Thursday. Tomorrow is garbage day, so it's not gonna be fun, but I had to move this anyways, so I'm gonna let this warm up too. It's so cold. But I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.